Hello, I am Marika from Hygienius and I will show you how to use PROTECTA for waste for emptying catheter bags. I will demonstrate an effective way to take one PROTECTA from the stack. Place your fingers under the edge of the top container, put your thumbs on top and lift the container up. When this is difficult, place the stack of containers between your legs to pull the top container from the stack. Then place the lid and open it. PROTECTA is ready for use. Place PROTECTA container on a flat and stable surface for emptying a catheter bag. Before emptying the catheter bag, add solid safe. Without solid safe, PROTECTA is liquid tight for 4 hours. With it, longer. 1 sachet of solid safe absorbs 1000 milliliters. Solid safe also neutralizes bad odors. PROTECTA container holds 2 liters, so you can empty an entire night bag into one PROTECTA. To empty a full night catheter bag, add 2 solid safe sachets. Position PROTECTA under the catheter bag and empty the catheter bag into PROTECTA. Is the catheter bag empty and has the liquid gelled up by solid safe? Take over PROTECTA for waste. Close PROTECTA securing the lid. Dispose of PROTECTA safely and hygienically in the nearest macerator or waste trolley. This is everything you need to know for the safe and efficient use of PROTECTA for waste. Do you want to learn more about PROTECTA or our other products? Just contact us. Our team is ready to assist you. Thank you for watching and good luck with using PROTECTA for waste.
Hygienius, humanizing infection prevention.